Hi, I'm Jim from the Wax Shop, and today we're going to show you how to properly do paint correction on your vehicle. I have already, in this space, used our clay lubricant and clay to remove any surface contaminants. That's very important to do before you do any polishing, so you do not introduce any additional scratches. We're going to be focusing today on our Overhaul 1000. This product is a heavy cut compound that can remove up to 1,000 grit sanding marks or paint imperfections. What you need to do, make sure you're using a proper pad, inspect the surface. You always want to use the least aggressive products you can on the surface to remove your paint imperfections. We know that we have to use a heavy cut compound on this vehicle. You want to apply 4 dime-sized drops of product onto the pad. First, tap the surface out. Start on the lowest setting, going across hatch pattern. Spreading it out, it's okay, but now move up to speed 4 or 5 or whatever's necessary on your polisher. And going across hatch pattern. First side to side. Apply medium to light pressure. And complete 4 section passes. As you can see, the product finishes out really well, and it's going to be super easy to remove. Now I'm going to grab a clean, fresh microfiber towel, wipe the surface, and inspect prior to moving on to our next step. Thank you for watching this video. Please look for more videos from the Wax Shop on how to properly maintain the surface of your vehicle.